Hey, are you still falling for these protein myths? You might be sabotaging your health without even realizing it. Today I'm exposing 3 of the biggest lies about protein that you've been told. Let's get into it. Myth number 1. Too much protein damages your kidneys. The reality: unless you already have kidney disease, protein does not damage your kidneys. In fact, studies show that higher protein intake helps your kidneys filter better and grow stronger. The real issue: low protein intake can cause muscle loss and other health problems over time. So don't fear protein. It's essential for your body's health. And if you're currently being treated for a kidney disorder, certainly consult with your doctor, especially if you're taking any medication for any other health disorders. It's important to seek medical advice. Myth number 2, you can only absorb 30 grams of protein per meal. Many people believe that eating over 30 grams of protein at once is a waste, but that's simply not the case. Your body digests protein slowly over hours, ensuring full absorption. That actually matters. What really actually matters is your total protein intake throughout the day, not just per meal. Myth number 3, protein will make you gain weight. Protein isn't stored as body fat like carbs and fats are. It's used for muscle repair, metabolism, and satiety. In fact, increasing protein while reducing your carbs and fats can help you lose weight by keeping you full longer and boosting your metabolism. The real weight gain culprit? Well, overeating carbs and fats, not protein. Now that you know the truth, don't let these myths hold you back. If you found this discussion helpful, hit the like button, share this video with a friend, and subscribe for more nutrition tips that actually make sense.